You won't be able to wrap this whole bumper in one piece. I know you can. If you tried, show me. But here's the best way how to wrap without having to do all of the redos. Put inlays. It's gonna make your life a lot easier. Let's start with a simple one first. Let's start with some knifeless tape. We're gonna put this knifeless tape a little bit closer to the inside of that body line. Not much, just a hair. Do not put any hair in your vinyl wraps. Now let's get some gloss black vinyl to put on this. Now we can see how far this actually fits into this. What you don't want to do is try to start right here at this front edge and then push everything all the way to the back. That's going to cause it to peel back on you badly. So before we go ahead and just pull out our paper backing, let's trim this. We're going to draw a little line. We have it fully trimmed the way we want it. Let's peel off one side. We'll just do a light little tack right here, just as a temporary tack. We'll peel off both sides. Makes it a little bit easier for us. Now, as you can see, everything is pretty much kind of where we want it at, almost. Let's clean up a few things. And notice we did not take off our plastic cap just yet. The reason why is because we want to rest this into the back area as close as possible. So that way you don't run into too many problems. Now it looks fairly smooth, just the way we want it to look. But we need to go ahead and squeegee it for sure to make sure everything is laid down right where we need it at. Now let's go ahead and grab our heat gun so we can lay down all of these parts where the knifeless tape is at, so that way we can pull it and make it cut smoothly. Do not burn a hole in this part right here. If you burn a hole in it, just redo it. Come on, be serious. Now this side looks fairly good. Let's go ahead and do the other side now. Before we cut, let's go ahead and pull this knifeless tape. Uh-oh, broke my knifeless tape line. What do? Well, we still got enough because we made sure we put more than enough knifeless tape right here. And now this broke correctly. Now we can pull it the rest of the way out. Now that's how you make a clean inlay each and every time, so that way it doesn't cause it to peel back on you. Come and join our members only videos on YouTube so you can get more exclusive videos just like this.